everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making two-step gathers and it's a gown that we are using it to make. So please stay tuned, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. So I will be folding my fabric like this, and what I will do, I will fold it in 4 parts. That is, the front and the back is what I will cut all together. So let me spread it. So I've done that now. So I will cut out the upper part that we'll work on first. So I've gone ahead to cut out the pieces, like the front and the back piece. So the next step now is to take the measurement from the shoulder to my chest line. So I will place my tape to get my chest line measurement, 8 inches. So that's my 8 inches for my chest line. So now I will be taking my length, also placing my tape from the shoulder to get my length. My length is 30 inches. So that is my 30 inches for the length. So after that, I will be marking my neckline by 3 inches. That is for my neckline. And to bring it down for the neckline is 3 inches also, and it's round neck. So I've done that. So for my shoulder, I will divide my shoulder by 2. So my shoulder is 16 inches. 16 divided by 2, that will give us 8 inches for the tape. And that is the 8 inches that I have here. So now I will be marking the measurement for the bust. So my bust here is 38 inches, adding 1.5 inch on it for the sewing allowance. And then for my armhole curve, I will be marking 2 inches. Where I place it on is on that line that we get from the shoulder to the chest line. So that is my 2 inches that I marked there. And then I will use my hand to curve it. So that is it. I've done that. Now, as for my waist, I'm bringing it here. Remember, we are making two-step gathers. So my waist is 36 inches. I want it to be free a bit at the down side, and then adding 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance. So that is it. So I will come back to the neckline for the back neckline. I'll go ahead now to mark 1 inch and then curve it like this. So I've done that now. So the next step now is to connect the lines together. So I'm using my hand like this to curve it, that is to mark it together. So I've done that. So it's for us now to cut it out. Please subscribe to my channel, please. And this is what I'm doing here now, cutting it out. So, and I implore you guys that if you don't understand what I'm doing here, please watch this video again so that you can understand and you can work on it. Okay, so to slope my shoulder, I will be marking ½ inch to slope it. So using my chalk tool to slope it down. So now we'll cut the neck. So I will continue to cut the neck, that is the front neck now. So this is what I'm doing here now. For my scissor not to cut the back side, that's why I raise it up like this. So we are cutting the back neck and the front neck now. The next step now is to gather our fabric now. So before then, I will go ahead now to measure the length. The length is 13 inches, and while the material that we are using to gather it, the measurement, like the yard, is 1.5 yard that we are using to gather it. So this is the last layer. So let me also show you the one that will be up, like the front one. So this is how I'm going to lay it like this, and the length is what I want to show you. The length that I'm having here is 6.5 inches. So that's what we will use. So we'll go and gather it, that is to sew it first and draw it, and I will also come and show you what to do. So I will also go and run the second line and also gather it out. So let's take it to the machine to go and stitch and gather. So now is to join our body parts. So I'm going to measure the bust, and when measuring it now, we'll divide it into 2, not into 4 again. So our bust is 38. So this is about 38, 19 inches. So what remains here for the tape, we'll count it out so that we'll not share it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means I will be marking 2 this side, 2 the other side of the bust, like 2 inches. So coming to the waistline, like the bottom side, that is where we'll use as our waist. So our waist is 36. So my 36 is 18 inches. So I will count the one that remained out now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we also have here is 2 inches. So mark 2 inches this side. Come to this side, we also mark 2 inches. And then we'll connect the lines together from the bust. I'm connecting it this way, like this. I'll go to the other side, connect from the bust side to the waistline, and to go and stitch it on the machine. And after that, we'll come and show you how to gather our 2-step gather that we want to use to complete the style. I'm going to join it together now, as you can see. So let's start with our gathers now. Now I will be gathering my gathers now. So you can see the way I'm pulling it little by little so that it will not get caught. And that is how you can gather your own so that it will not get caught. So just gently and be doing it the way you just see me doing it like this. So continue to do it like this to the extent that you want it. So this is it now. So this is the last one that will gather. So I will bring out the first layer. This is the second layer. I bring out the second layer so that we'll gather it. So this is the second layer too. So let me remove this from it now and gather this. So this how you also gather it, and gently pull it the way you saw me doing the first one. So just drag the thread little, you can see. So please subscribe, watch my video down to the end. So this is it. So we have our 2-step gather dress ready now, as you can see. Very lovely, beautiful. So please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, and if you don't understand, please watch this video again, and I will see you guys in my next video.